Hello everyone, welcome to our video tutorial today. This is Sibat Masood, faculty member, School of Business, Bangladesh Open University. You know, today's video tutorial has been specially designed for the students of Commonwealth Executive MBA or Sibat program of School of Business of Bangladesh Open University. But I'm pretty sure that this discussion will definitely benefit the students of our BBA and MBA programs. Today, we will discuss from Unit 12, Product Life Cycle and New Product Development from the course Marketing Management bearing course code Core 1603. Before we start the discussion, let's have some papers and a pen ready as you may need to note down some important remarks during the video broadcast. If you face any problem regarding this issue, you can always reach out to your assigned course teacher from School of Business of Bangladesh Open University. So let's have a look at what we are going to talk about today. Understanding the concept of new product, becoming familiar with the stages in new product development process. A new product is a good service or idea that is perceived by some potential consumers as new. It can be an innovation like iPhone reinvented the cell phone technology, an acquisition like when Nestle purchased a North American brand, a product development like Toyota Venza 2021, a product improvement like 4K HD Ultra TV was an improvement over regular HD TV, or a product modification like Lux Velvet Touch was a modification in the original formula of the Lux. When a company does not develop new product, it leaves itself vulnerable to changing consumer needs, wants, and new technologies. Dear learners, let's learn about the stages in new product development process. A company does not just stumble across a new product. It has to move through an 8-stage chronological process to come up with a new product. These stages are generating new ideas, screening of ideas, concept development and testing, marketing strategy development, business analysis, product development, test marketing, and commercialization. The first stage is to obviously come up with new ideas for the product. Potential ideas for a new product can come from a number of sources like consumers, company salespeople, brainstorming, etc. An alert company will always monitor its customers' needs and requirements to see if there is a new product opportunity. Company salespeople are also in an excellent position to help because they're in constant touch with everyone in the market. Brainstorming occurs when a number of executives of the organization sit together and they're asked about possible new product ideas. Their answers are recorded and the flow is never interrupted and no question or answer is ever criticized in a brainstorming session. In the second stage, the initially generated product ideas are taken through a screening process. In this stage, the poor ideas are phased out and the good ideas are remained. The ideas are then taken through an RWW screening framework, that is to find out if the new product idea is real, if it can win, and if it is worth doing, or if the company should invest in the new product idea. The third stage is concept development and testing. A product concept is a detailed version of the new product idea stated in meaningful consumer terms. For example, a product concept for a battery-powered electric car could be like this: an affordably priced, mid-sized, petrol-electric hybrid car for family use. When the new product concept is rather revolutionary, the company needs to test it with some of the consumers in the target market. Some of the concept testing questions for a battery-powered electric car could be like this: do you understand the concept of battery-powered electric car? Do you believe in the car's claimed performance? Would you buy such a car if it is brought to the market? Dear learners, The next stage is to etch out an initial marketing strategy for the first few years for the new product. A marketing strategy statement consists of target market description, value proposition plan, sales, market share, marketing mix, etc. The fifth stage in new product development is business analysis, which refers to sales, cost, and profit projections to see if these factors can satisfy the corporate objective. Microsoft's corporate objective is to reinvent productivity and aid consumers with their business processes in daily lives. So the company will never bring any product on the table which does not satisfy its corporate objective. Up until the business analysis stage, the product was totally conceptual. It's only in the product development stage the company gives a shape to their conceptual new product idea. Product development refers to developing a prototype for the new product idea to see if the product concept can be turned into a workable marketing offering. In this stage, the goal of R&D is to ensure that the prototype can operate under normal safety conditions, can embody the key features and attributes that was speculated to be there in the initial stage, and then to check if the new product prototype can be produced within the estimated manufacturing budget. If the company is satisfied with the functional and psychological performance of the prototype, then the product is given a brand name, a logo, a packaging, and it directly moves into the test marketing stage. Test marketing is usually necessary when the product involves a lot of investment and the company is not sure about whether consumers are going to accept it or not. McDonald's test marketed their lobster roll in more than 100 locations in United States in 2017 just to make sure that consumers like the new item in the menu. Dear learners, the last stage of new product development process is known as the commercialization stage. Commercialization of a new product is very costly because the new product has to be weighed against possible markets, costs, profit potential, etc. The question of timing also becomes relevant here. If a small company is the first one to introduce a new product in the market, it's clearly at a distinctive advantage. Finally, my dear students, we are at the end of today's session. I hope the discussion has helped you to have a very transparent understanding on the topic mentioned. Please follow the ebook on marketing management on BOU's website. You can also get help from another reference book, Strategic Marketing Management, the latest edition written by Mark Perry. Keep watching our programs, and if you face any problem, you can always email us at this address deanoffice.sob@gmail.com, or you can also mail us by Office of the Dean, School of Business, Bangladesh Open University, Gazipur 1705. We wish you all the best with all your future endeavors. Thank you for being with us.